Hi Freaky for Freaks, Shalini here. Today we are going to draw
V of BTS. I have seen this video 100 times.
And I was like, why are you so obsessed with me?
I thought, why not sharing the art himself? Kim Taehyung. The effect that this dance video has on me right now, I am really afraid for their comeback. Wherever I look, I see him. It's so addictive. And cherry on the top is the song. This cutie bear turned into a muscle bear within a year. I mean, how? He is going through the best transition. Being a good boy to bad boy and to big boy. He has came far. And special shout out to Lee Jung. Girl, you are gorgeous, you slayed, and your fit is so dope. And I'm still obsessed. The man, the moves, the muscles, the lyrics, oh my god. And lastly, you are not freak, but unique.